Shaitan seizes every opportunity. Solve your problems and be content. Learn to solve matters rather than, oh, I want a divorce and I am ready to divorce this wife of mine. These are the statements that are flying around 2 days after marriage. Nowadays, I know of cases of people whom, initially I knew of a case where people went on a honeymoon and they returned divorced. The honey must have gone stale there. But I know of another case now that beats that. At the airport, they were about to leave and the divorce occurred. Subhanallah. May Allah protect us. So now that's the record. I wonder what we'll hear next. Another point, we must respect each other, no matter what. Respect each other, assist each other. The way we talk, we need to trust each other as well. So, respect, assistance and trust, extremely important. Do you know that we have a very, very big disease known as the cell phone, the mobile phone? It has destroyed at least 20 marriages that I know of, just the mobile phone. And I tell people, if this phone is causing a problem, change your number. People don't need to know. Give up your cell phone, let them phone you on a landline. These SMSs that we have flying around, and then the wife sees the phone and suddenly her heart is broken and then she doesn't want to talk to you, or vice versa, the husband sees the phone of the wife. It is happening on a daily basis. We are hurting each other's hearts by this mobile phone. And now they've got latest technology and so on and so forth. I don't even want to get into the details. They are so filthy and sick. May Allah save us. A mobile phone is only for those who need it and know how to use it. Believe me. Otherwise it will destroy your marriage. Those on drugs, how do they get them these days? Over the phone. SMS. I had a friend who happened to, he told me, do you know, Mufti, if I need this drug, it will take me 5 minutes without a vehicle and I will have the drug and come back. I said, how do you get it? He told me, these people on the street who sell cards, sell newspapers, they look at you, they've got that sly look with one small eye, one big eye, they've got a grin, one-sided grin on the face. It's called a dopey look. The minute you look at him that way, he knows what you want. He nods his head and he puts it on the side and you give him the money. Together with that, he'll throw a newspaper in. So people will think you had a newspaper. You come home, your father doesn't even know what the drug looks like, a little leaf or so. And subhanAllah, you look and say, Daddy, this looks nice. He might even tell you, plant it. Why I'm saying this is, we as parents need to know what are these drugs. Our children might have them and they might be safe keeping them in our own drawers. It's happening. I've come across cases. But the point I was making is, the cell phone, if you don't know how to use it and if it is unnecessary, 9 times out of 10 it will get you into haram. I know of happy homes, good people, very, very decent people. At times even those who visit the masjid several times a day, and you find that suddenly shaitan destroys their marriage through the cell phone. May Allah protect us. I tell you, it is very, very dangerous. Someone will confide and say, you know, my husband or my wife, they have their cell phone with them 24/7. Even when they sleep, they got a special on the pajamas. They've actually got a little pocket they sewn on so the mobile phone fits in. Because if it's under the pillow, the wife might just pick it and see what's going on. What type of a life do you want to lead? Let's not be hypocritical. We need to respect each other, we need to assist each other, and we need to trust each other. Loss of trust is a very grave problem.